Now that this group has finally been exposed for what they have been doing all these years, as I have said before, they are destiny thieves. So, like what they have been doing for years, they will try to take credit for something that was never theirs to begin with. And this is gang stalking. Take this one tarot reader as an example. In her recent reading, she speaks of a group of being exposed, yet somehow still twists the story to antagonize the Queen of Wands, painting her as the villain. So she portrays the Queen of Swords as the victim and the whistleblower, someone who's fighting against this corrupt group, when in reality, this tarot reader, she herself is part of that very group that she's speaking about. So she's spinning a narrative where the Queen of Wands is allegedly part of a cult, rebelling from within, not out of righteousness, but supposedly to destroy a single person. So she accuses the Queen of Wands of weaving lies, shifting burdens, committing identity theft, and even claims that now she will be sacrificed by the group she betrayed. So she repeats with disturbing passion that this Queen of Wands will go to jail. Or worse, that death is her punishment, all while exalting the Queen of Swords as someone of higher spiritual rank, saying the Queen of Wands has lost and is now crying and lost her job and must bow down. So we have to discuss this one by one. As we all know, this is happening, but I am not the villain. And I whistleblowed against a group of corrupt criminals, and the group that she was talking about, she is actually a part of. I was never part of this group in a cult. It doesn't make sense that I was attacked since 2017 and with proof. So if I was one with them, I should have not been attacked since then. Yes, someone made so much lies to put burden on me, not the other way around. In fact, it is these lying tarot readers who lied on me so much and made my life hell. She said that in order to save this group, this rebelling Queen of Wands will now be sacrificed. But what they are not telling you is that they have been sacrificing me since the beginning. She's about to go to jail. Well, they have been trying to set me up to go to jail by scapegoating all their crimes on me for years. It's gang stalking. That is her punishment. So they are trying to kill me because they were sacrificing me. And I cannot repeat that enough. So they want me dead because they are being exposed. So she said that she lost and was unsuccessful, lost a job, and is now crying. As if she's really trying to speak that into existence. That will never happen. She's higher in spiritual rank. So they were trying to portray this Queen of Swords as someone higher in spiritual rank and that she's a chosen one. Well, for me, why do you have to take an essence and take a credit to something that you didn't do and to something that I did if you truly are higher? She will bow down. So what people doesn't see in this tarot reading and with this tarot reader is that this person is covertly threatening me and is telling me to back down. There was one commenter who opposed this tarot reader saying that this happened to a Queen of Wands. I say, fuck all of you. And I say that with a passion. And what you all want for me will happen to all of you. So if you all understand what they were trying to do, they were trying to covet something that is not theirs. And you will all understand that these are hating, envious group of people wanting to be something that they are not. So when they were creating lies about someone coveting someone is a jealous hater, it is them.